Have you ever stopped to consider the real impact of global warming on your daily life? It's not just about polar bears losing their icy homes or far-off islands sinking into the sea. It's about the air we breathe, the food we eat, the places we call home. Global warming is not a distant issue. It's a present reality. It's crucial for us to comprehend its effects better and understand its implications. So brace yourself as we delve deeper into this unsettling truth. Prepare to have your understanding of this global issue drastically changed. Let's dive into the deep end where facts lie submerged. First up, the planet's average surface temperature has risen about 2 degrees Fahrenheit since the late 19th century. This change is primarily due to increased carbon dioxide and other human-made emissions into the atmosphere. Second, the oceans have absorbed much of this increased heat, with the top 100 meters of sea showing a warming of more than half a degree Fahrenheit since 1969. This warming ocean contributes to the severity of storms and hurricanes. Third, the Greenland and Antarctic ice sheets have decreased in mass. Data from NASA's Gravity Recovery and Climate Experiment show that Greenland lost an average of 283 gigatons of ice per year between 1993 and 2016, while Antarctica lost about 127 gigatons per year in the same period. Fourth, global sea levels rose about 8 inches in the last century. However, the rate in the last 2 decades is nearly double that of the last century. Fifth, both the extent and thickness of Arctic sea ice has declined rapidly over the last several decades. Sixth, the number of record high temperature events in the United States has been increasing, while the number of record low temperature events has been decreasing since 1950. This trend is expected to continue. Seventh, the ocean has become more acidic over the past 2 centuries. The acidity of surface ocean waters has increased by about 30% due to humans emitting more carbon dioxide into the atmosphere and hence more being absorbed into the oceans. Eighth, since the beginning of the Industrial Revolution, the acidity of surface ocean waters has increased by about 30%. Ninth, global warming is contributing to the extinction of various species. Changes in temperature and weather patterns make it harder for species to survive. 10th and finally, climate change affects all of us, no matter where we live. The impacts of global warming are global in scope and unprecedented in scale. These facts paint a grim picture, don't they? But remember, with knowledge comes power. Now you hold the power to make a change. It's time to rise, to play your part in the battle against global warming. Small actions can have a big impact. Start by shrinking your carbon footprint. Maybe take public transport, or better yet, bike to work. Support renewable energy, solar, wind. They're not just alternatives, they're necessities. Advocate for climate policies because our leaders must lead us forward, not backward. The future of our planet is in your hands. Make the change today. Subscribe to find out more.